Conducting research as a student is known to boost your GPA, increase the likelihood that you'll graduate, build valuable transferable skills, and set you and your resume apart when it comes time to apply for a job or grad school. In fact, a recent study reported that 87% of employers are more likely to hire students who completed research. The Office of Research and Sponsored Programs, known as ORSP, supports students to do research and artistic projects while at UW-Stout by providing funding, coordinating events, conducting training, supporting publication, and more. To learn about the support ORSP provides, go to our student page on Stout Cloud, which you can see here. We recommend checking out the Funding Opportunities section, where you can learn about grants of up to $2,500 that can be used to cover your costs of doing a research or artistic project. A grant can pay for things like lab supplies, art supplies, services, research incentives, student payroll, and travel. In fact, there are grants of up to $1,500 to share your work, for example, at a conference or in a juried arts festival. Travel costs like airfare, hotel, food, and registration fees can be covered. The step-by-step process to submit a grant proposal is all here, as well as helpful examples. Deadlines typically occur in early fall, early spring, and early summer. If you're interested in learning more about applying for a grant, we recommend talking with a faculty or staff mentor, advisor, or just reaching out to our office. Other funding opportunities are also linked in this section. Next, visit the Presentation Opportunities section to learn about ways that you can share your results. There are state-level events like Research in the Rotunda, UW Symposium, and Spark Symposium, as well as larger-scale events like the National Conference on Undergraduate Research. Deadlines and registration links are all here. Many of these events require students to create research posters, and we have another helpful section on Stout Cloud to help you design an effective poster. But don't miss Stout's major event, Research Day, which takes place near the end of each academic year. This event celebrates all the amazing research and artistic work being done by Stout students, faculty, and staff. You can share your work through posters, exhibits, visual arts displays, and oral presentations. There's also a cash prize competition that day called Quick Pitch and an award ceremony to recognize outstanding student and faculty research with annual awards. Don't miss registration for Research Day, which typically opens in January and closes in March. ORSP also supports students to publish their work. We have a Stout Cloud section that lists many academic journals where you might publish, and our dissemination grants can be used to cover publication fees if your article is accepted. Other key resources on ORSP's student page include an IRB section for students who conduct research that involves human subjects, an IACOOK section for students whose research involves animals, and links to programs for other research opportunities, especially in summer. ORSP is here to help students, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions by emailing rs@uwstout.edu, stopping by our office in the Robert S. Swanson Library and Learning Center, and following the ORSP Connect, Instagram, and YouTube accounts for helpful tips, reminders, deadlines, and inspiration. And don't forget to visit our page by going to bit.ly/Stout ORSP or just searching for ORSP in Stout Cloud. Hope to see you soon.